Good evening everyone, I am Pratibha. Welcome to my channel Pratibha Chemistry Teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the topic class 9 chemistry chapter number 2. Is matter around us pure? So we will study, okay? So learning object. By the end of this lesson, student will be able to define pure substance, define mixture, differentiate between pure substance and mixture, and identify homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, and observe examples from a daily life. Okay? See. Introduction. Look around you. Air, water, milk, juice, salt, sugar. Are all these substances pure? Let's find out. So children, what is matter? We already discussed in previous chapter, chapter 1. What is matter? Actually, matter is anything that has mass, occupies space. For example, water, air, iron, wood, milk. Okay? These all things are matter. What is a pure substance? A pure substance contains only one type of particles. Its composition is fixed. For example, gold, copper, oxygen. These are the pure substance. Okay. Characteristics: uniform composition, fixed properties, and cannot be separated by the physical method. Types of pure substance. Okay. Element and the compound. So element made up of only one type of atom. Example, iron, oxygen, gold. And compound made up of two or more elements chemically combined. Okay, for example, water and the carbon dioxide and the sodium chloride. Coming to the next point, what is a mixture? Actually, a mixture is formed when two or more substances are mixed physically. Okay, this is a mixture, and the substances are not chemically combined. For example, air, soil, milk, lemonade, and salt water. Characteristic of a mixture. So here is some characteristic: variable compositions, and the components retain their properties, can be separated by physical method, and no fixed melting or boiling point. Okay? See, difference between a pure substance and a mixture. So here is some pure substance and here is some mixture. One type of particle in the pure substance, and the mixture two or more substance. In the fixed composition in the pure substance, in the mixture here is the variable composition, cannot be separated physically and it can be separated physically. And the pure substance fixed properties, and the properties depends on composition. Types of mixture. Here is the types of mixture: homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, here is the uniform throughout in the single phase. For example, salt solution, air, vinegar. And the heterogeneous mixture, here is a not uniform composition, more than one phase. For example, sand and water, oil and water, and the soil. Activity: take a if I am take a glass of water and I am adding a salt and stir well, this will be salt disappear, which means it is the mixture of the homogeneous. Okay, which is this solution is the homogeneous mixture. Okay. And the activity 2, if I will take a water and add sand, so here is the sand settles down after some time. Okay, which means this mixture is heterogeneous, means a heterogeneous mixture is formed. Okay, real life example: pure substance and the mixture. Gold is the pure substance, mixture is the air. and the oxygen is the pure substance and the milk is the mixture. Copper is the pure substance and mixture is the soil, and the distilled water is the pure substance and lemonade is the mixture. Okay, so matter has mass and occupies space, and pure substance contain only one type of particles, and the pure substance are of two types, elements and compounds. Okay, see, mixture contain two or more substance physically mixed, and the mixture are of two types, homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. So this was our lesson of this chapter. In the next lesson we will discuss about the solution, properties and the concentration. Okay, thank you.